Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at an 8.5 by 24 hybrid enclosed trailer. At the front we do have our jack coupler and safety chains. There is 24-inch stone guard along the bottom and trim of your V-nose. We do have a driver's side door with an RV style lock as well as a bar lock. This trailer does have a step. The enclosed portion of this trailer does have two vents, one at the rear and one at the front. There is one 12-volt dome light with your light switch by the door. Have your enclosed portion. Coming outside your trailer, this trailer does have a white screwed exterior. There is a 12-foot enclosed portion with a 12-foot deck. There is 1-foot mesh siding. This trailer does have teardrop stone guard fenders as well as a bifold loading gate with a spring assist system. This trailer has LED brake lights and the bifold gate is attached with our spring latch system. This trailer does have pressure treated wood flooring with 4 D-ring tie down points flush with your floor. We have our gate. There are 2 ladder racks on the passenger side of the enclosed. This trailer does have 2 7,000-pound axles. Once again, this is an 8.5 by 24 hybrid enclosed trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.